Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to win the car every time GTA 5 Xbox full guide, only way. Head to the Los Santos casino, bait the glitch, and trigger the payout method I demonstrate step by step now. Start by creating a clean save, disable autosave, and close online sessions. I walk you through timing, camera angles, and precise inputs so you can repeat this reliably without risk or confusion. Begin with the door interaction sequence I show, then apply the button timing exactly as instructed so the spawn bug triggers reliably. Maintain your position and watch for NPC interruptions, then repeat the short cycle until the vehicle appears. I describe hand placement, controller angles, and small adjustments that make the difference. Practice once or twice, and you will internalize the rhythm to secure the car every run. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I recently started using leak-proof meal prep containers that save time between runs and keep snacks secure during long sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned. They are super handy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After your first successful attempt, back up the save immediately to preserve the result and avoid repeating risky steps. Keep attempts short to reduce potential instability and avoid suspicious patterns. I recommend testing offline and on a secondary profile until you master the flow. These precautions save hours of frustration, keep your main account safe, and let you enjoy the reward without worrying about lost progress or unintended game issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.